Let's have some festive fun with In Dulce Jubilo. This is an old song, and it's a great, fun, upbeat melody to play on guitar around this time of year. We're doing a version today that's more reminiscent in feel of the Mike Oldfield version. We'll be playing the melody in 2 different positions, and to keep this accessible to people on the beginner guitar learning spectrum, we'll be playing it in the open position. We're in 4/4, we're in the key of C. We have an 8-bar melody made up of mostly 8th notes. There's a little bit of repetition in there, but the main point to note is the melody follows the C major scale. So this open position C major scale, because we're playing it here, will give us most of the notes. As an anchor, hold your hand in the C major chord position. We won't be keeping all of our fingers pressed down for the whole time. We'll be moving them around, but ultimately, this is the shape that we're following. Starting on bar 1, we start on the A string, play 3rd finger on the chord hand, 3rd fret. We move down to the D string. The middle finger plays the 2nd fret, 3rd finger plays the 3rd fret, down to the G string, open, 2nd fret with the middle finger and open G again. Taking a closer look at the picking hand, I'm using a pick because it gives me more accuracy and speed. You are welcome to use your thumb or your fingers. I'll be playing alternate picking, which means down, up for each alternate note. While you're getting used to this melody, by all means play down for every note while you get used to it. Once you've conquered that, we can do alternate picking. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Moving on to bar 2, this is exactly the same as bar 1. Bar 3. So we're at the G string, open, middle finger 2nd fret, open, 3rd finger to play 3rd fret D, middle finger to play 2nd fret D, 3rd finger to play 3rd fret A. We have 2 quarter notes on the end, so I'll be playing those both down picks. So we've got down, up, down, up, down, down. Moving on to bar 4, we're on the D string, we play it open twice. The middle finger on the chord hand comes in to play the 2nd fret, then back open, 3rd finger comes up to play the A string, back to the open D, middle finger plays 2nd fret, 3rd finger plays 3rd fret. Bar 5. As you'll recognise, is exactly the same as bar 3. Open G, 2nd fret G, open G, 3rd fret D, 2nd fret D, 3rd fret A. Now on to bar 6. This is almost the same as bar 4, but we end it differently. So we play the open D twice, 2nd fret D, open D, 3rd fret A, open D, and then the last cluster of notes, we play 2nd fret D, open D, 3rd fret A. So that's a little bit quicker. The whole bar. On to bar 7, we have 3 quarter notes. And then 2 8th notes to finish. So we have the open A string, play these down, 2nd fret A string, 3rd fret A string, jump to the G string, open, and then play the last up on the 3rd fret, 3rd finger of the D string. Reaching bar 8, the last bar of the melody, we play 2nd fret D string twice, open D string, 2nd fret D string, open D string, and then 3rd fret A string. Playing the melody through now from the beginning, a little bit slower. This melody repeats itself throughout the song, so you can take what we've just learned, play that round and round and round and have a bit of fun. If you'd like a bit more variation, I'm now going to show you how to play the same melody but an octave up. We are still, for the majority of this, in the open position. There's a brief movement up to the 3rd and 5th fret and back down again. For the first bar, we start on the 1st fret of the B string, twice, move to the high E open, then the 1st fret, 1st finger. We're going to slide that 1st finger, the index finger, up to fret number 3, play fret number 3, play 5th fret with the 3rd finger, back to the 3rd fret, we repeat this for bar 2, for bar 3 we're already on fret 3 of the high E, so we play that again, play the 5th fret with the 3rd finger, back to the index finger on fret 3, down to the 1st fret with the index finger, open high E, and then index finger plays 1st fret B string. Bar 4, we play 3rd fret, 3rd finger B string twice, open high E, back to the 3rd fret of the B string with the 3rd finger, index finger plays the 1st fret of the B string, back to the 3rd fret using the 3rd finger, high E string open, and then 1st fret with the index finger, high E. Bar 5, we repeat bar 3. And again, for bar 6, as in the previous section, it's almost the same as bar 3 with a slight difference on the end. So we've got 3rd finger, 3rd fret B string, twice, high E open, back to the 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 1st finger, 1st fret, back to the 3rd finger, 3rd fret, and then this little cluster of notes on the end, open E, 3rd finger, 3rd fret B, 1st fret B. Bar number 7 takes the middle finger to the 2nd fret of the G. We now play our 3 long notes, our 3 quarter notes. Open B, 1st fret B with the index finger. The 3rd finger jumps to the high E to play the 3rd fret, and then the index finger plays the 1st fret. The final bar, open E, 3rd fret B with the 3rd finger, open E, back to the 3rd fret, end on the 1st fret with the index finger. I'll play that through from the beginning of this section a bit slower. Here is a playthrough of both versions of the melody with some backing chords for you to join in with. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this lesson, I'll show you how to play a simple picking and strumming version of Silent Night. I'll see you next time.